another bed bug job that we just set up. This is probably one of the worst infestations that we've seen. So we're going to take you through it, show you what it looks like, and show you what we're doing. Go ahead and follow me inside. As you can see, we have all the heaters already set up. The fans are in place. We have them all turned on. The only thing we haven't done is actually flip the heat on. We're going to take you into this back bedroom and show you where it all started and show you how bad the infestation actually is. This is the bathroom. The bathroom usually does not have a whole lot of bed bug activity, but as you can see in this bathroom, the bed bugs are all over the place. They're literally all over the floor, they're in the bathtub, they're on the sink. Not only that, we have blood splatter everywhere. We'll take you into the bedroom here and show you the same thing, a little worse. We got bed bugs and bed bug splatter all over the walls in this room. As the camera pans around, we'll show you all this, but all those things you're seeing up on the ceiling are bed bugs that have got caught in cobwebs or have been smashed on the wall. Over here you can see the gentleman's bed where he's actually smashed the bugs on the wall. His mattress is infested with them. His pillowcase that he lays his head down at night on has blood splatter and dead bed bugs. It's, like I said, the worst infestation we've seen. When we heat this thing up, it's going to get even worse, and we'll come back to you on the video and show you as these things start to scurry, but we're expecting the worst just from what we're seeing pre-heat. So we'll get back to you after we get this thing heated up and show you what we have from there. Thank you. Okay, we're back at the house. We got the front room at 123, 122, just, 120, 125 range. We're going to go into the back bedroom, see what we got that at, and see if we can show you some bed bug activity or some more dead. Okay, the bathroom seems to be in the looks like it's fluctuating, 110 to 115 range. Now, if we come over here to the bedroom, the bedroom's cooking. We're pumping heat directly into it. We got the bedroom at 154, 155, somewhere in that range. Like I said, 150s to 155s. Come in here and start moving some stuff and see if we can get some activity. Boy, you can see dead bed bugs all over this mattress. Here's a whole bunch of live ones right here moving around. Now that we've moved that, they're going to have nowhere to go. So you see they're just going in a circle. They're not really running too far. Let me move some more stuff and we'll see what else we can show you. This suitcase is saturated with bed bugs. We're going to move his sheets to try to get air circulation everywhere. Once again, we don't want any cold pockets. If I can get Nathan to come right back over here on those bed bugs that we're moving, you're not seeing a whole lot of activity now. It's that fast. As soon as we moved that suitcase or that briefcase that was covering those, they just had nowhere to go. So I mean, it instantly just dries them out. The 140 is instant kill, like we've said on previous videos. This is the gentleman's pillow. This is pretty repulsive. I don't know how anybody sleeps like this, but he literally sleeps on this every night, and this mattress. We're going to throw that onto the ground. I'm going to set the camera down here, or the thermal camera, and I'm going to come over here and lift this mattress down, and we're going to see if we get anything moving, if there's any cold spots. Okay, that's disgusting. Take a look at that right there. That is all dead carcasses, egg sacs, dead bed bugs. This mattress should be thrown out. A lot of times we can save the mattress. This mattress is beyond repair. You get that all good? This, yeah, this is really bad. This box springs and mattress need to go. This is probably years of bed bug infestation. You can see just blood splatter in the corners of the mattress. I'm going to attempt now to move the box spring and see if we can show you something going on there too. Oh, that's horrible. Whew. I've done a lot of bed bug jobs, and this is actually grossing me out. Okay, we're gonna let this cook for a little bit. Let's see if I can get anything underneath this. Yeah, we look like we've cooked pretty much everything in this room. We're gonna continue to move stuff, but this is very unhealthy. Very unhealthy. You can see the way the dresser's kept. That had animals living on it. Their bedding was infested with bed bugs. A lot of this is just a hygiene thing that has just not been taken care of. You can see how thick this stuff is on the box springs. Look how many of the egg sacs and dead bed bugs there are. Look up here on this one. Oh, God. I'm stepping over this. I didn't even see this. Look down in. This is actually the metal casing that holds the box spring. And I mean, it is so bad. This is no exaggeration. We're showing you firsthand. We're going to step out of here now. It's getting way too hot in this room for us. It's in the 150 range. We're going to let this thing cook for a while at 150 and just make sure we absolutely wipe everything out in here. Say we flip that mattress, and the mattress is at 142, 141. We're at 140 steady right there, 141. Instant kill, like I said, at the 140 range, but we need to let it run for a couple hours. So we'll back out of here, and if we find anything else, we'll be okay, guys. We're back in another room of the house. This is the mom's room. It has bed bug issues too. It's not the main source like we just showed you in the other bedroom. I am dripping sweat, so we're going to try to make this fast. This room right now, we've already looked, and we got this room up at 145. You can see her mattress is got the same thing. Her sheets, it's not as bad, but you can see on the pillowcase and on the mattress, she has blood splatter everywhere. Now, this blood splatter is like we were telling you in earlier videos. When they suck your blood, you roll over in the middle of the night, you smash them. So you're smashing them with your own blood all over your mattress. It's pretty nasty. Okay, her protective covering underneath is bad. We got dead bed bugs underneath here. I can barely keep the sweat out of my eyes. Okay, we're gonna flip this one up. You can see down here, the bottom of her mattress, similar to the one in her son's room. Like we were saying, not as bad, but I mean, she still got it. This is another one where this job in general, they've let it go so long and gotten so bad that this stuff pretty much needs to be tossed out. It's beyond saving. Okay, we found a couple live ones that were in a cold pocket. He's got really nowhere to go. You're going to see him stay in that section. He's starting to dry out right now, and if you keep the camera on him, you see now he's in one little circle, and he's dead. It's that fast. They just shrivel up as soon as this heat hits them. We've definitely hit temp in this room. I'm going to try to move these box springs for you and see if we can get you in here. That's going to be a little tough. Okay, we're going to step out of this room. This room's at temp. It's hot. We're cooking everything. We'll come back later, rotate. Like I said, if we see anything, we'll get back. Okay, guys, we're back. This is the end of our video. We started this job at 10 o'clock in the morning. It's now 6:30 at night. We've gone for about 8.5 hours. The job took a little longer because of how bad it was, and we wanted to just be safe. So we went in, we cooked it a little longer. Everything's been shut off. All the heat units. We're just running the fans now, trying to cool the house down for the customer. If you'll look here at our FLIR camera, we're at 151, 156. You know, it's fluctuating, but we're way over that 140, even 160. We fall in here to the bathroom. We got the bathroom at 150. This is where we have in place all the electronics. We don't want to get them as hot as everything else, but you can see they're well above the range we need to be at. So we're just trying to really be safe and cautious on this job because, once again, of how bad it was. This is the bedroom where it all started. The mattress is in the back. You can see they're at 148, 150. They were actually higher than that. They've already started to cool down because of the fans blowing on them now with just cold air. The back bedroom back here, the same thing. it's in the 148 range, if you can read that. And that's about it. We're just going to cool the house down now, shut these fans down in a few minutes, and complete our job.